Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workspace in ClickUp, whether you're consolidating your projects or simply cleaning up unused workspaces. This process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through each step. First, open your web browser and navigate to clickup.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing in with an account that has the necessary permissions to delete workspaces, as this action typically requires admin or owner access. After you've logged in successfully, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. Here you'll see your profile icon, which usually displays your profile picture or initials. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings area where you can manage various aspects of your ClickUp account. Once you're in the settings interface, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find a navigation panel. This panel contains different categories for managing your account. Scroll through these options until you find and click on Workspaces. This section is specifically designed for managing all the workspaces associated with your account, giving you the ability to view, edit, or delete them. Now you'll see a list of all your current workspaces displayed on the screen. Take a moment to review them and select the specific workspace you want to delete. Once you've identified it, click on that workspace to open its options. Then, look for and click on Settings. This will open the detailed settings page for that particular workspace, where you can adjust various configurations or perform more advanced actions. Scroll down through the workspace settings until you reach the bottom of the page. Here you'll find the Delete Workspace button. This button is usually placed at the bottom to prevent accidental deletions, as removing a workspace is a significant action that cannot be easily undone. When you're ready, click on Delete Workspace. A confirmation dialog will appear on your screen asking you to verify that you truly want to proceed with this deletion. This is ClickUp's way of ensuring you don't accidentally remove important work or data. Take a moment to make sure this is the correct workspace you want to delete, then click Delete Workspace once more to confirm your decision. The workspace will now be permanently removed from your account, and that's it. You've successfully deleted a workspace in ClickUp, helping you keep your account organized and focused on the projects that matter most. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.